So Kobe is showing that it's possible to have a city, mountains and ocean all in one, and I really like that. Good morning to the city of Kobe. I kept calling it Kobe for a while, but then I realised it's Kobe. So I left Hiroshima yesterday. I went via Himeji Castle on the way here because it's basically on the train line. I arrived in Kobe yesterday. I checked into my guest house. I'm staying at Maya Guesthouse, which is really nice. It's in like a little area slightly outside of the centre of Kobe, but the neighbourhood, which is this, is really, really nice. So right now I'm out on a little morning tour with the hostel to show us around the neighbourhood, so I'm super excited for that. And then basically I've got the rest of today and all day tomorrow to explore, so I'm going to be exploring Kobe and showing you what Kobe is all about, so let's go. Well, that little street tour was good, and the guy that owns the hostel park, he like set this tour up, and basically it just gets you to interact with the locals a little bit, as well as trying some of their food, because things like that are really hard when you travel and you don't know anyone in the area. I definitely recommend Maya Guesthouse. It's a really nice place. It's got like a really cute, like homely kind of feel to it, and it's been like fully set up as a hostel, and they've done it out really, really well. So I'll leave the link below to that. So I'm now down in the metro, and before heading into downtown Kobe to see what's around there, I've heard and seen that there are some really cool waterfalls that are really close to Shin Kobe Station, pretty much in the city, but only a few meters away, so I'm gonna head there. Now I am gonna say that the metro system in Kobe is super confusing, just like Osaka. I'm really, really shocked by it, to be honest. They're just so big and there's just so many lines, there's so many signs, and it's just like, oh my god, what? I'm so confused, and I'm really good at stuff like this as well, so it does kind of worry me for other people coming here, but I think you do just need to like ask people. I just asked someone then, like, where do I go, and she helped me. It's also worth noting that the metro card that they used here is a Ikoa card, so I got this in Osaka. It worked there, it worked on the public transport in Hiroshima, it works here in Kobe, and it works in Kyoto, so they're really, really good to get. So we're here right on the edge of the city, and I want to walk, I don't know, somewhere around there. Not bad. Wow, I'm like fully in nature right now. This is crazy. Literally 10 minutes ago I was getting lost in a metro station. But Kobe is really interesting. It's a port city, and we'll go down to the port later on. And then it's kind of like sandwiched in by the mountains. It's really, really cool. Guess what? I just got on the wrong metro line, so I've just got off at the next stop. Now I need to get back on another metro to get back on another metro. This is really annoying, really annoying. So I promised that we will get on to more things to do here in Kobe, but right now I'm still trying to work out this metro system. But I'm about to get on a JR line, a few stops into where I want to be to go to Chinatown. But I thought that I would also mention, because I know it might be boring now, but if you're coming here, it's very good to know that they have quite a few JR lines that pass through the centre, which means if you have a JR pass, they are included and you do not need to pay for them. You just show your JR pass. So you can also get a subway, but you have to pay for that. So do try and get one of these trains, and it will save you some money because you've already paid for the journey. Thank you. Right, I am off at Motomachi Station, which is where Chinatown is. I've heard Kobe has a really awesome Chinatown, and which is good because I am hungry, feel like it's starting to rain, don't know where Chinatown is, but let's go and see what we can do this afternoon. Oh wow, this is what I was looking for. Okay, so I've got a sesame ball, which apparently has got beans inside it, so it's vegetarian. I got found out. Oh. I love sesame. Do you know what? I've seen these around Asia a lot, and I didn't know if they were vegetarian or not. I feel like this is dangerous now. And they have these cute little dumplings, but I'm pretty sure they've got meat in them. Okay, I've been told this little piggy dumpling thing is a vegetarian. It's a sweet, apparently. So let's have a little look. It's sweet. That's good. I wouldn't say that all of them are, but I would just definitely check. It's the red bean as well. And obviously for the meat eaters, Kobe beef is the thing to have. I am now in Kobe Port, which is only about a 10-minute walk from Chinatown. Got the Kobe Port Tower over here, the Kobe sign over here, the Ferris Wheel over here, we've got a Starbucks over here, and we've just got lots of interesting buildings. Yeah, it's quite a cool spot. We've also got this like ship-looking hotel as well, which looks super cool. Unfortunately for me, it is not a lovely day today, so I think I'm just going to find a shopping mall just to chill out for a while, because I think the city's going to look really nice at night. Okay, went into a shopping mall, and now we've got blue skies over here. We've got very grey skies over here. So let's focus on this bit, shall we? It is cleared up a little bit, thankfully, and now you can really just see the mountains. See, I told you that the mountains are so close to the city. You've literally just got this really small strip of city, the ocean, and then the mountains. Super cool. It is absolutely freezing, but the skies have cleared a bit and we're getting a really nice sunset going on with all the clouds. And you can also do a sunset cruise as well. And I've seen some photos from it from my friend that came here, and it looks really good, so I would definitely recommend that to you as well. In the summer, this area, I bet, is just absolutely brilliant. I mean, this Mosaic area, which is where I was earlier on, has just got loads of restaurants, loads of places that you can sit. Oh, a warm, sunny evening with a cold drink is exactly what I would like right now, but I am actually freezing instead. And then the big wheel is all lit up now as well. Yeah, I would definitely come back here in the summer. I would really love to come back here in the summer, actually. Oh, that's so funny. They've got a Kobe sign up in the mountains there. Good morning to day 2 in Kobe. So this morning I'm heading up into the mountains because I saw the city yesterday and the ocean, and now I really want to go into the mountains. So I'm at the base of Mount Maya and I'm about to get the cable car up the top. Now you do have to pay for this cable car. Okay, round trip is $390. However, where I'm staying, Maya Guesthouse, they give you some cable car tickets for free, which is really, really cool. So a completely free thing to do in Kobe if you are staying with them. And it's about a 20-minute walk away, so not far at all. So I'm just gonna wait for the cable car and then we'll go up, and I think we're gonna see a pretty awesome view, not only of Kobe, but of the whole Kansai area. Wow, talk about lunch with a view. This is absolutely amazing. Well, that omelette was absolutely marvellous. It was really, really good. And this view as well is just absolutely incredible. I'm having another I Love Japan days after some not so much days. Wow. The view from up here is obviously amazing during the day, but it is like one of the top things to do at night as well, is to come up here and see the night view of the city and the port. So definitely keep that in mind if you are coming here as well. But right now I'm off to find a temple. I'm going to have a little walk to a temple. Wow, that temple was so nice and serene, so I definitely recommend walking up there. But I am going to end the vlog here because I am going to head all the way back down into the city, pick up my bags at the guest house, and then get on a train to Osaka, which shouldn't take long, about 15 to 20 minutes I believe, which is really good. So I hope you have enjoyed seeing Kobe and you've got an idea of what this city is like. Really not a city that is visited as much with tourists as the likes of Osaka and Kyoto, Nara, Tokyo, Hiroshima, all of those. So if you are looking for a kind of like slightly less visited city, this is really, really brilliant. And you can actually come here as well as a day trip from Osaka. So if you can't stay over here for whatever reason in your itinerary, and then do keep in mind that it's really close to Osaka and to Kyoto, so you could always just do a day trip from there as well. So thanks very much for watching this. If you have liked it, please give it a thumbs up, let me know in the comments, and hit subscribe for more travel videos. And then I'll see you tomorrow, where I'm going to be going to Kyoto on a day trip from Osaka.